What's up you guys, Nathan here. Today what I'm going to be doing is bringing you guys another little video about stocks, some more information, great information that's going to help you in the long run when buying and selling stocks. So there's so much going on in the market right now. It seems like it's so crazy, and as you guys seen with the past virus that just happened, the stock market was affected that day, that week, but after that it kind of bounced up really quick. So basically what that is saying is the stock market does not completely depend on the economy. It's kind of separate than that. So since they're separate, that means that they have nothing to do with each other. So if the economy is doing bad, a lot of people think that the stock market is going to do bad, but now we're seeing no, that's not true at all. It's on its own thing. It changes on its own for its own reasons. It does have a little bit to do with that, but it's not completely dependent on the economy is what I'm trying to say. And basically, so what that means is you guys are going to be trying to buy the stock at the lowest price. That's going to be very hard to do. That's what you're going to try to do, but it's going to be very hard to do. It's going to be very hard to time the market and get into the market at the best possible time. The reason it's so hard to time the market perfectly is because it's completely random. Once you feel like it's going to go lower, sometimes when you see it actually go lower in your head, you're thinking, oh, it might even go lower, it might even go lower. So it ends up just making you not even buy it at all and just waste out on that whole opportunity of that low stock because you think it's gonna go lower and lower. You guys have to be confident in what you're doing. So if it is pretty low and you guys think it's gonna go lower, I mean, by all means wait if you really feel like that. But if not, the best method to buying stocks is to buy and to hold. The best method to buy stocks is to buy and hold long term. Day trading, trading every day, it's not for me. It's not for most of you guys, I would assume, unless you guys are completely on this 24/7, looking at all the markets, completely being aware of everything, and just like not letting your emotions get to your decisions. So let's say a stock drops really low, you're not gonna sell it most of the time, because that's why I'm telling you guys to buy and hold. That's the best advice I can tell you. That's the best advice people have given me. So at times when I want more money for other stocks, I'm thinking, oh, should I sell this stock and put it in another stock? Most of the time I'm gonna tell myself, don't do it. Just hold, sell, just hold it. Don't sell. I'm not gonna sell till like I actually need the money when I'm like 30, 35. I don't really know. I don't need that money anytime soon, so I'm just really just growing and growing and growing. And eventually, let's say I bought a stock today, compared to 5 years from now, unless the company goes completely down, I'm most likely gonna be in the positive, because the shifts that go up and down that really make us emotional and make us wanna sell, those have nothing to do in the 1 to 2 to 3 to 5 to 20 year range. They just are for the people that are day trading. So basically what I do to buy stocks is I don't try to time the market the best as I can. I just kind of see on the chart where's the low points, where the high points. I do not want to be buying at the high points. That's the only thing I'm pretty much not doing, is buying when it's the highest price that it's ever been. But if it goes down, and if I see the chart going up and down, and if it's in the middle, I might buy, because you never really know how much more it's gonna go down, how much more it's gonna go up. So the best thing to do is just get into the market as soon as you can, and make sure that you're not buying for the highest price, but just a good price. And once you do that, the more you do that and buy and hold over time, it's really hard to lose money, because you're not selling just because you lose a little money, but instead of when you do lose a little bit of money, you're buying more of that stock instead, and it's gonna kind of even out, and your losses are gonna even out with your wins, and you're gonna come out in the positive. So basically, buying stocks, you want to invest in the long term if you want to be safer. So buying stocks, you're gonna want to buy stocks and hold them for as long as you can, as long as you think they're not gonna go under, go out of business. But I just really hope you guys are really doing research on each company, what products they have, what their revenue is, what their future plans are, and just how overall they're doing compared to the competitors. There's so many stocks in the stock market that you can buy into. start with your favorite companies that you believe in. Just start buying and don't sell right away. Don't be trading and selling stocks thinking that you have to do this every day, buying and selling at the low. No, that's not what you have to do. The smarter investor is gonna buy and hold for long periods of time. The more you do this, the higher it's gonna go. Let's say I bought a Tesla stock 5 years ago and it's like for $300. So let's say I bought a Tesla stock for $300 and now it's at $900. Right now, I'm in the profit. But let's say it goes down to, let's say $700. I might buy one more stock and hope that it goes back up to $900 if that's not an inflated price. The Tesla price is like really high right now and it changes really fast. So pretty much anything Elon Musk says, it affects it strongly. So there's a lot of stocks that are just really volatile, and what that means is they change a lot in short amount of time. Those are what's gonna really impact you the most emotionally. Let's say you have 900 profit in your account and then it goes down to negative 100. You're gonna be like, dang, I'm gonna sell. And that would be the worst thing you can do because you're selling at the lowest price. You missed out on all your profit. You lost out on everything that you worked for, and all that 900 that you had profit, it's all gone. You sold it and you lost $100. Does that make sense? To me, it doesn't. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure that I do not sell when it's low. Do not sell at all. If you're losing money, unless the company is gonna for sure go down, unless you do not believe in the company, do not sell. Hold. If there's any information, any advice I can give you guys is to hold, buy and hold, buy and hold. I do not want you guys to lose a bunch of money. I do not want you guys to be stressed out over all these stocks because they really sink 4,000 out of your account just negative. It's not good. It really messes with your body. It really makes you like think and overthink and makes you do something that you probably don't want to do in the long run. So don't forget, buy and hold for a long time. Make sure the ones that you are buying, it's not at the super high price, maybe medium to lower, because you're not gonna be able to perfectly enter the market at the lowest price. It's very hard. So if you guys could do that, I really think that you guys could come out with a profit and come out with some good stocks that you guys can have for a long time and really make some money off of. So I hope you guys get the importance of buying and holding and not really selling much at all, especially now that we're young. The people that would be selling more often would be a lot older people, not people like me, 19, 20. You're not gonna be selling that much. And unless it's like a super high sell, like a super high surge and you know it's gonna go down, sell for that, sell and be ready to buy those stocks back at that lower price. If you for some reason know it's gonna go back down, if you have a strong feeling it's gonna go back down. That's also sometimes that you should sell in order to make more profit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something new about stocks. Definitely drop a comment of what you have a little bit of questions on. If you're a little confused on anything, I will give you a full answer in the comments down below. Comment down below if you have any questions of what you want to learn next. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.